Hey there everyone, my name is Nathan and I'm the owner here at Minnesota Mobile Guy. If you're not already familiar with us, we're a business based here in the US state of Minnesota, but we assist clients from all over the world with all sorts of different issues and services on their smartphones, tablets, and other mobile devices. Now, one of the services that our clients most frequently ask us to perform is the SIM unlocking of a device in order to be used with a different carrier other than the one that originally sold it. By default, most mobile devices are going to come with some sort of lock that restricts them to only being used on the original carrier, and they have to undergo some sort of unlock process in order to be used with a different carrier or different network. Now, here with us today, we happen to have a Galaxy Note 8, originally from T-Mobile here in the US, and this is one that has not yet been SIM unlocked, which we'll be able to see after it finishes restarting here, because we will have the messages that indicates that an invalid SIM card is inserted. Give it 1 second here to finish booting up and we'll be able to see that. Okay, so on the notification panel here, we do have the invalid SIM card message here and tells us that it's network locked. And then if we go ahead and swipe away the notification panel, we also see the pop-up message here that says that the device is network locked, can be unlocked if eligible, and then T-Mobile wants us to use their device unlock application that comes pre-installed on the phone. But we're making this video to let any interested customers know that we do offer a service to be able to SIM unlock this device without having to go through T-Mobile or meet the requirements or use that device unlock app that they like to load pre-installed on the phone right there. It's actually something that we're running right now on our computer program here while the phone is plugged in. And so after that finishes up, we should be able to see that the phone can then restart and be recognized and activated on the test SIM card that we have inserted here. And then we should not be getting those network lock messages anymore. While we're waiting for that, I should also mention that this is something that can be done for just about anyone, anywhere in the world, as long as you have a decently powerful Windows computer and a fast internet connection. You don't necessarily need to be located here in our area to have it done, because we can just connect to you through the internet and basically do the exact same process. So we just need to give it another minute here to finish up what it's doing. It is in the last stages of running the unlock here. So once that's finished up, we should be able to see that it is successful. And I'm leaving the phone here shown to show you that we are actually doing it with our computer program while it's plugged in. We're not secretly running the device unlock app, and there's no other trickery here going on. So my program just needs another few seconds to finish up its thing, and then we'll be able to test and see the final results. So 1 second while that finishes. Okay, so it just needs to restart one final time, and then after that we should be able to see that we're good to go. I actually already noticed that the invalid SIM card message was not showing up on the lock screen anymore, so that's a good sign that we should be all set to go. And I can go ahead and unplug that because we are done. Okay, so now that everything loads, we can notice that we don't have that network lock message there anymore. And then if we also swipe that away, we don't have the pop-up message that we were getting before saying network locked. We just have this message here saying that the SIM card has been changed, and it's prompting us to do a restart to use the new SIM card. And I bet all of these notifications here are kicking in now that we have signal. So we can take a peek at the lock screen here to see that we are indeed registered on Cricket, which is the test SIM that we have inserted. Cricket is a prepaid provider here in the US that runs on AT&T's network. So we can see that there, and then we also have our signal bars and our LTE status there. So we are going to go ahead and do that restart. And then after that, we're going to show you just a couple things in the settings to clarify exactly the type of phone that we're working with here. 1 second while it does that. Okay, so if we go into the settings, we can see, if we go into the About section, this is indeed a Galaxy Note 8 that we're working with and shows the standard model number there for all US versions of the Note 8, the N950U. And then if we go into the software information, under the service provider section, it indicates that we are indeed working with a T-Mobile device as indicated by the TMB signatures there. So the device has been fully network unlocked and is good to go on other companies now. So if you have a T-Mobile Galaxy Note 8 and would like to get it SIM unlocked, we would love to help you out with that. So go ahead and get in touch with us. All of our contact information will be right down in the video description, and I'll also put a slide at the end of the video here that has all the information there as well. While you're here, make sure to check out all the other videos that we have on our channel, as we offer a lot of different services for a lot of different devices, and I'm sure you'll find something there that could come in handy. Make sure to hit the subscribe button while you're there also to be notified of all the new videos that we're constantly putting up and adding, just like this one. Y para todos los hispanohablantes, nosotros también hablamos español, así que ustedes nos pueden contactar sin duda. Thanks for watching, everyone, and have a great day.